You just started a YouTube channel, or maybe you're about to, but it already feels like there's so much to figure out. Lighting, editing, thumbnails, storytelling, and now you're hearing about LUTs and color grading. Let's simplify that, okay? I'll show you the exact iPhone settings I use to get clean professional image straight out of the phone. You'll set everything once, hit record, make your quick edits, and upload. Done. Okay, so stick around to the end. I'll share one lighting trick that instantly makes your videos look more cinematic without buying any gear. Oh, and if you're hesitating to start because you think you need an expensive camera, you don't. Click right here and I'll prove it to you. Watch this video first and I'll show you that your phone is more than enough to start creating great YouTube videos. Section 1, setting up the iPhone settings. Step 1 is resolution and frame rate. Go to settings, go to camera, and record video. Choose 4K at 24 FPS for the most natural and cinematic motion. So what most YouTubers use now and gives you that film style movement. Uploading in 4K keeps your video looking sharper even after YouTube compresses it. If storage is limited, 1080p can work, but try to stay with 4K when possible. Step 2 is PAL formats. Now, while still under record video, just scroll down and check show PAL formats. If you're in North America, just leave it off. If you're in Europe, Africa, Asia, or South America, turn it on to avoid light flicker. It's a frequency thing. Okay, so step 3, enhanced stabilization. Turn enhanced stabilization on if you're recording handheld. If you're always on a tripod, turn it off. This avoids that slight crop and gives you a wider frame. All right, we're doing great so far. And there are only 4 more quick settings to adjust inside the settings app. Once these are done, you'll never have to mess with them again. Okay, now step 4, HDR video. Turn that off. It looks great on your iPhone screen, but often appears blown out or discolored on other devices that don't support HDR. So keeping it off ensures your color and brightness look consistent everywhere, especially on YouTube. Step 5, lock your camera and your white balance, both of them. This prevents your iPhone from switching between lenses in mid-shot. Next one you'll do is your white balance. This keeps your colors consistent throughout the recording. Step 6 is audio settings. You're going to get out of record audio, back to the camera settings, and tap on record sound. If your iPhone offers spatial audio, turn it on. If it doesn't, leave it on stereo. Okay, turn with noise reduction on. It genuinely helps clean up outdoor audio. On the audio side, later I'm going to tell you about one budget mic that actually takes your audio from average to professional, and it's under $50 US. Now step 7 is composition tools. You back out of record sound and just scroll down to the composition section. You'll see it there. Turn on grid. Grid helps with framing and applying the rule of thirds. Basically, the top and bottom lines help you set horizon, or in a talking head, your eyes should be close to that top line. The left and right are where you should be if you're putting up images or overlays for your viewers, or you like that offset look. You can always center yourself as well. Turn level on to keep your shots straight. That white line that turns yellow means you're perfectly level. At this point, you've finished everything inside the settings app. Now it's time to switch over to the camera app itself and set things up before recording. I know that was a lot to go through. The good news is once these are set, you won't need to touch them again. Your iPhone will remember everything, so next time it's literally open, frame, record. Now, if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next video. Section 2, okay, the camera app settings and shooting prep. Step 8, lock focus and exposure. Open the camera app and frame your shot. Tap and hold your subject until you see AEAF lock at the top. That locks both focus and exposure so your camera doesn't shift mid-recording. If it looks too bright, slide your finger down and you will slightly darken the exposure. Pro tip, iPhones tend to overexpose by default. If your model supports manual exposure, tap the exposure setting, 3 or 6 dots in the corner, and lower it to -7 or -3. This gives you richer color and more balanced contrast. Step 9, choose the right lens. Stick with your main camera. The 1x lens It's your sharpest and cleanest. Avoid zooming between numbers like 1.3 or 1.7. Those use digital zoom, which lowers your quality. If you need to get closer, move either the phone or yourself. Now, the ultra wide lens, the 0.5x, is great for tight spaces, but can look softer in low light. Step 10, clean your lens and light the scene. Even a small smudge makes your image hazy. You'd be surprised how often people forget this step, including me. Now use soft, even lighting. Window light or diffused LED panel works perfectly. Avoid overhead lights, they cast harsh shadows. Oh, a lighting hack payoff. If you don't have lights, grab a flashlight, shine it through a folded white sheet. Instant DIY softbox. It diffuses the light and makes your shot look instantly more professional. Step 11, stabilize your shot. If possible, use a tripod or gimbal. If you're handheld, use both hands, tuck your elbows in, and move slowly. Combined with the stabilization setting you turned on earlier, this will make your footage look stable and professional. Step 12 is quick editing workflow. Import your clips into DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, LumaFusion, whatever you're comfortable with. You can even trim in the Photos app if you like. Time for pacing, cut out long pauses, filler words, and mistakes. Add B-roll or text overlays for clarity if you need. Oh, and that budget mic I mentioned earlier, it's the Boya Mini 2, or any small lav mic really. It'll make your audio noticeably cleaner and more professional, and it's under $50 US. Step 13, export and upload. Upload straight to YouTube and you're done. Okay, and that's it. The complete iPhone setup for perfect video straight out of the camera. Try these settings and see how much better your footage looks without touching color grading. Let me know your results down below. Did it help you get cleaner footage? Also, let me know what you want me to cover next. And that's it for today. Start simple, shoot smarter, grow faster, guys. I'll see you in the next one.